Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Umidi Safitri. I'm from class management 24C with number student 2411138. On this occasion, I will discuss about business entities. Okay, let's get started. Introduction. Every business that aims to operate legally must choose and operate the business entity. A business entity is not merely a legal formality. It shapes how the company is managed, taxed, and held accountable under the law. Selecting the right type of entity is a crucial decision because it influences the owner legal liability, tax obligation, and the overall potential for business growth. The choice of business structure can determine how profits are distributed, how decisions are made, and how easily the company can attract investors or expand in the future. Each form of entity carries its own benefit and challenge, which can significantly affect the success and sustainability of a business. This presentation will examine the main type of business entities, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability companies by exploring their key characteristics, advantages, and potential drawbacks. Understanding the structure is essential for entrepreneur and business owner to make informed decisions that align with their strategic goals and ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. And then capture one business entities overview. Next, definition and importance. Business entity refers to a legal established organization that to conduct commercial or professional activities. It defines the frameworks of ownership, outlines how profit and losses are distributed, and determines how liability and tax are managed. Every business, regardless of its size or industry, must operate under a specific that entity type that's set in its legal identity and financial responsibility. Understanding business entity is fundamental for effective decision making and regulatory compliance. Each entity carries different implications for taxation, control, and personal liability. For instance, some entities have complete separation between personal and business assets, while others place full responsibility on the owner. Recognizing this distinction helps entrepreneurs minimize risks and choose the most efficient structure for their costs. Selecting the right business entity is not merely a legal formality but a strategic decision that influences the company's future direction. It affects operational efficiency, access to funding, and potential for long-term growth. A well-cushioned structure ensures legal protection, will enforce confidence, and allow the business to operate smoothly within both local and international markets. And then next, type of business entities. Different type of business entities exist to accommodate various goals, ownership structure, and level of risk tolerance. Each type provides a unique balance between control, liability, and action, allowing entrepreneurs to select a structure that best fits their vision and wishes. One, sole proprietorship represents the simplest form of business entity, owned and managed by one individual. It offers full control and easy setup but carries unlimited personal liability, meaning the owner is personally responsible for an obligation. Two, partnership involves two or more individuals who share ownership, responsibility, and profit. Partnerships allow for shared decision-making and combines expertise but also expose partners to potential conflict and joint liability. 3. Corporation is a more complex entity that exists separately from its owner. It provides limited liability protection, making shareholder personal assets safe from business debts. However, corporations face stricter regulation and double taxation in some cases. For limited liability company, combines feature of both partnership and corporation. It offers flexible management, limited liability for owner, and more favorable tax treatment. The structure is often chosen by business seeking legal protection without the administrative burden of a full corporation. Closing between these entities depend on factors such as business size, funding needs, ownership preference, and risk management. Understanding their characteristics enable entrepreneurs to build a stable legal foundation that supports sustainable growth and long-term success. And then role in business activities. Business entities play a central role in shaping how organizations function and grow. They define the legal and managerial structure show which ownership rights, responsibilities, and financial obligations are distributed. This framework determines how profit and losses are allocated among owners and who carries the legal and financial risks of business operation. The choice of entity directly influences how decisions are made, how research is managed, and how the company interacts with stakeholders such as investor, creditor, and regulatory bodies. It also determines the company's access to funding, application procedure, and the level of personal liability protection for its owner. Overall structure business entity provide clarity, accountability, and operational stability. By clearly outlining roles and obligations, it helps prevent internal conflict, support efficient management, and strengthen investor confidence. In a broader sense, the entity type tools become the foundation upon which business performance, legal compliance, and long-term sustainability are built. And capture 2 solve proprietorship. Characteristics and aspects. Business entities have distinctive characteristics that determine how a company is owned, managed, and held accountable. These characteristics influence how profits are distributed, how decisions are made, and how tax and liability are handled. Understanding them is essential for choosing a structure that supports both operational needs and long-term goals. So, proprietorship are simple and give the owner full control. Third, they also carry ultimate personal responsibility. Partnership promote collaboration and share expertise, combining the resource and skill of multiple individuals. Corporation and limited liability companies offer strong legal protection and better access to capital as the separate personal asset from business risks. Selecting the right business entity provides clear advantages, including greater efficiency, legal security, and financial stability. It strengthens credibility and has investor confidence and creates a foundation for sustainable growth in a competitive environment. And then legal and financial responsibility. Business entity carry specific legal and financial responsibility that define how they operate and interact with the law. These responsibilities including complying with government regulation, maintaining a correct financial record, paying tax, and protecting the rights of employees, customers, and stakeholders. The chosen entity determines how these obligations are divided between the business and its owner. So, proprietors Sole proprietors are personally liable for all debts and legal claims, meaning their personal asset can be used to cover business losses. In partnership, each partner share legal and financial accountability depending on the type of partnership established. Corporation and limited liability companies, however, separate personal and business liability, providing stronger protection for owner while requiring more formal documentation and reporting. Fulfilling this responsibility is essential for maintaining trust, transparency, and compliance with the law. Proper legal management and financial discipline not only prevent dispute and penalty, but also support the company credibility, financial health, and long-term success. And then example as case studies. Many small business prefer sole proprietorship because of their simple structure and full control. For example, freelance consultant, local shop owner, or small online seller often choose this type because it's easy to store and doesn't require complicated regulation. They can directly manage operation, make quick decisions, and keep all the profit for themselves. One example is a local coffee shop owned by a single person. The owner controls everything from menu design to counter service and directly feel the impact of every business decision. This freedom allows flexibility and creativity, which is why many small entrepreneurs like this structure. However, this kind of business also carries high personal risk. When debt, losses, or legal trouble occur, the owner's personal saving and property may be affected because there is no separation between business and personal assets. Several case studies show that many small business owners lost their personal belongings when their business faced financial trouble. That's why it's important for sole proprietor to manage risks wisely, like using insurance, keeping financial record properly, or even considering transforming into a limited liability company as their business grows. Capture 3 Partnership and Corporation. Features of partnership. Partnerships are business structures where two or more individuals share ownership, profit, and liabilities. There are two primary forms: general partnership, where all partners share equal responsibility, and your limited liability and limited partnership, which include both general and limited partners with varying degree of liability. This element allows pooling of resources and expertise, fostering collaboration. However, clear, legally binding agreements are essential to define roles, responsibilities, and conflict resolution mechanisms to ensure smooth operation and prevent disputes. And then, corporate structure and benefit. A corporation is a business entity that is legally separate from its owner, meaning it has its own rights and responsibilities. One of the biggest advantages of this structure is limited liability. This means the shareholders are not personally responsible for the company debt or legal problem. Their financial risk is limited to the amount they investors. Corporations also make it easier to raise funds by selling shares to the public or the private investor. This helps them grow faster and expand their operation. For example, large companies like technology firms or manufacturing business often use this structure because it allows them to attract more investors and build long-term stability. Another strong point is perpetual existence. Even if one owner leaves or sells their share, the corporation continues to exist. They give the company stability and make it more attractive to partners and lenders. However, corporations must also follow stricter government regulation and deal with more complex tax rules. So while they offer stronger protection and more funding opportunities, they also require careful legal and financial management to operate effectively. And then cooperation of both entities. When comparing partnership and cooperation, the difference mainly revolve around ownership structure, liability, and management complexity. Partnerships are often seen as a more personal and flexible option. They allow individuals to combine resources, skill, and ideas to operate a business together. Profit and losses are shared directly among the partners, making communication and decision faster and more adaptable. However, this simplicity comes with a drawback. Partners face limited personal liability, meaning if the business encounters debt or legal problem, the personal asset might be affected. This makes partnership more sustainable for smaller ventures or close professional collaboration where trust is strong. In contrast, corporation function as separate legal entities offering limited liability protection to their shareholder. This means the owners are not personally responsible for company debt or lawsuits. Corporations also have greater potential for growth because they can raise large amounts of capital through share issuance and attract outside investors. Yet this advantage comes with higher administrative complexity, stricter government regulation, and more demanding tax responsibility. Ultimately, the choice between forming a partnership or a corporation depends on the business strategy goals, the amount of capital it needs, and the level of risk its owner and prepared to handle. Businesses that seek rapid expansion and investor involvement might prefer the corporate form, while those prioritizing simplicity and control might find partnership more practical. And then capture 4, business entity selection. Factor influencing choice. Several critical factors influence the choice of a business entity, including the level of liability protection deserved to safeguard personal assets. Tax implication also play a significant role, as different entities are subject to varying tax treatment. Management structure, preference, funding requirement, and the scale of the business further affect this decision. A thorough analysis of this element ensures the selected entity support the company's strategic objective and operational needs for sustainable growth. Next, impact of business operation. This choice of business entity directly impact key operational aspects such as decision making authority and financial reporting requirement. It also sets the level of legal compliance necessary and the organization's ability to respond quickly to market changes. Entity structure affects investor confidence by defining risk exposure and governance practice. Additionally, it influences how resources are allocated and the business growth potential, fundamentally shaping both daily operation and long-term strategic planning. And then legal and tax consideration. Different business entities are subject to distinct tax treatment, so proprietorship and partnership benefit from pass-through taxation, where income is reported on individual tax return, avoiding double taxation. In contrast, corporation face corporate tax rate, which may lead to taxation at both corporate and shareholder level. Legal obligations vary vitally among entities, necessitating customized compliance measures, reporting standard, and governance framework. Understanding this difference is essential to manage risk effectively and optimize financial and operational advantage. And then conclusion. Selecting the right business entity is essential for effectively balancing liability protection, tax efficiency, and operational control. Its business structure offers unique benefits and challenges that influence how a company manages risk, finance, and management. A true understanding of these characteristics enables businesses to align their legal and organizational framework with strategic objectives. This alignment fosters sustainable growth, enhances compliance, and positions the company to adapt successfully in dynamic and competitive market. Okay, guys, this is explanation from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.